This video will go over the amazing tool of ThinkBinder and how you can use it to succeed in math class this year. If you notice on each of your SSS packets, underneath where you write your name, you are given a code to a ThinkBinder study group. This is a URL that you are going to have to type in, and it's very important. The only tricky thing is you are going to have to make sure that it is case sensitive, meaning if I have a capital, you have a capital. Otherwise, it will not work. So we are going to type in right here, http://bit.ly/C, and then this one is chat unit E. They will be different for each one. Once you go here, it will prompt you to create an account. You need to type in your full name, your email address, and come up with a password. Make sure that that password is one that you will remember, and I suggest keeping the same password that you've used for your other sites for this class. You can also sign in with your Facebook account if you have one of those. I have already created an account, so I'm going to click on Already a Member and log in to my account. This is what the ThinkBinder study group looks like, and there's several key parts to it. First is this section right here, which is Study Buddies. Right now, I'm the only person that has logged into this unit because it is a new unit. Once people have logged in, there will be a lot of different names there, and if someone else is online at that time, there will be a green dot next to your name. Let me show you with another study group that has been used. So this is a study group that I was using over the summer, and you can see that there's a lot of students that have logged into this study group. However, because all of them have red next to them, none of them are online right now. The next thing is the chat screen. The chat screen is for you to chat back and forth with people who are currently online. If someone is not currently online, they are not going to receive a notification about a chat. However, if someone is online and you want to ask them a question, the easiest way to do that is to type it into the chat box. So you would just type your chat here, and that person would get it right away. The next thing is the main screen, which is right here. This is where you can ask questions, and if you are signed into this study group, you will receive a notification of anything posted here unless you change it in your settings. So if you have a question for me and I am not online, you can post it in the main screen right here, and that way I will receive an email and be able to log on and help you right away. In here you can type any words that you want. You can also type in math equations, and there's different symbols that you can play around with. Okay, and you can also attach a file. So for example, if you are working on your math homework and don't know where you are getting stuck, you can take a picture of your math work so far and attach that as a file to the post, and then click on Post. What you can see here is a lot of different people have posted, and we are able to reply back and forth to those questions. And the easiest way, if you are in the middle of a conversation, is to keep replying. So at the bottom right here, you would just type it here and hit reply rather than starting a new discussion. If it's on a new topic, you can start a new discussion. But if it's on the same topic, go ahead and just keep replying at the bottom of the page. The other nice thing up here is a feature called a whiteboard, where you can draw things out or write things out if you don't quite have a picture and you are good with the mouse, and you can publish that to the group. So if you wanted to write out an equation, again it's a little bit tougher here, but if you really wanted to do it, you could. X plus 2 equals 4. It's kind of ugly, but we'll go ahead and save it. Okay, so sample equation, save. And when we go back to the feed, this shows up on the main screen. The last feature of ThinkBinder that I know of right now is the video chat feature. Right here, there's no one on video chat, and if you want to join in on video chat, you can click on the webcam feature right here, and you can join in on chatting orally, which sometimes is easier to talk about something in words rather than talking about it in writing. Overall, I hope that ThinkBinder is a great tool for you and your classmates to use this year. You guys can use it whether or not I am online, and I can log in at any point and see what is going on. And I will try to check it once an evening or every other evening or so and just kind of see what's going on. There will be a different chat group for each unit, and once you log into the chat group once, it will be up here in your group. So you can see I have a lot of groups because I already have all the groups for the entire year. And as you join the groups, these will be added to your list as well. All right, looking forward to chatting with you at ThinkBinder.